Today's Saturday, January 22nd. Waves are high and tide is high, wind is high, and it's a little nippy here. Probably high 50s, low 60s. Not a typical Florida weather at Daytona Beach that we're expecting, but hey, better than the teens or 20s. You can see that the wind is pretty strong. Nobody on the beach today. Yesterday there were a ton of people walking back and forth. But today the tide is high. It comes up all the way to where the posts are, where cars were allowed to park. So definitely nobody here. So, well, today, another day, we're gonna look for a place to go. And then tomorrow we head out to Panama City Beach, which will be even colder, probably in the 50s, evening might be in the 40s. So not the Florida weather we're expecting. We're gonna spend 3 more days in Panama City Beach, and then we are gonna head back up north into the abyss. It's a cold and windy day. We are here at Winter Haven Park. Just a little park along the way. We're gonna probably have lunch here in the car. There's a very nice restroom here. So looks like things are well taken care of. It's very modern and clean. And a little picnic area. You can see the wave is huge, and I got little shelters here too. Actually looks pretty nice, but of course we are not going to. Sand dunes here, breathing the wind noise, and water is all the way up. And here's the beach. Nobody this way. Upwind. There's nobody up there as far as the eyes can see. What it feels like today, but at least it's not like where it's in the teens. We're at this place called Doris, Lieber. Not exactly sure what it is, but looks a little bit interesting, so just come and check it out for a few minutes. Looks like it could be just part of the waterways, and hopefully no alligators. Here there's a lot of waterways, and so Florida, you don't have to worry about running out of water, looks like. But yeah, but who knows what's lurking in there, huh? Okay, I guess you could launch a kayak here or something. Water looks nice and peaceful. Lots of water plants. Little swampy area, looks like. Could be peaceful. Water is actually pretty clear. Nice and peaceful. Making a quick stop at the Vito Park, and looks like a pretty nice park, a huge area with lots of parking, and about 3 cars in here overall. People fishing. Looks like you do kayaking, launch your canoe, and water is really high today. And but this looks like a really open area, nice with lots of area to access the river or the open area here. I can see this being a really popular place to come. So I would come and do some kayaking, stuff like that. Looks like it stretches out pretty far. This river here, and palm trees, got some shades here, and got trash cans. Don't see a restroom facility. And, overall, really well maintained. It looks like got a couple of tables here. Spanish moss on the trees, and looks really nice. I wish I could spend half a day here. Looks like a pretty nice park, the Vino Park. Now we're at Spruce Creek Park, and looks like there's a really nice long canoe trail here, and Spruce Creek State Canoe Trail. Looks like it's a good number of miles. And this Spruce Creek Park, they got a canoe, a kayak launch here, and a fishing pier. Actually, it's a huge park, all kind of areas, and it's free. So feel free to come by and check it out and spend some time here. I mean, a small wooden fishing pier probably. Ooh, actually it's pretty nice, long one. Check it out. Wow. It's a nice long boardwalk to the pier. I mean, the pier is the boardwalk, I guess. It's actually a pretty nice, big area. I can imagine when the weather warms up, this place being quite popular. That's why this place is so big. But right now, this park is probably just the two of us, some maintenance people. And I imagine there's a few critters around also. Probably got fish, some different birds. Yep, definitely got. There's probably something sinister under all these water. The water's a little bit murky here. Don't see the bottom. I bet you there is something under. That's for you to get out your boat or kayak. Lots of palm trees over there. Coconut trees. Well, anyway, nice fishing pier. Good for fishing, that's for sure. So tonight we are going to Sonny's BBQ for some meat. So we'll see how many people actually wear masks today. Yesterday there was absolutely nobody. So Saturday night, but it's a cold, damp Saturday night, so not a lot of people here. So Hopefully this will be a good one. Lots of sauce. So this is the Sonny sampler, garlic bread, sliced pork under there, barbecue beans, coleslaw, ribs, pulled pork, and chicken, dark meat. And Jenny had the sweet Carolina sandwich, which is a pulled pork sandwich. Both of them are pretty good. Coleslaw is very crunchy, very fresh, tastes very good. Beans are good too, definitely sweet. And garlic bread, very good also. I love the garlic bread. Meat, meat is just the condiment.